Hi guys and welcome back. So it's December. What we can buy in December and what can give us some good profit. So for today I have identified four meme coins that at the end of the story it's all you need, because if you find good meme coins that are pumping pretty well, it's more than enough. I don't say that you have to buy all of them. I don't even say that you have to buy, but I want to share with you which are these names and why I picked them and why I do believe that they can pump so well, specifically during this month. So stay tuned because that's what we will do. Let me just say, guys, don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up, drop a comment, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe, press the ring bell button, and yeah, stay tuned because guys, this is the time. The next 6 months will be the time when we have finally this opportunity to make money out of this market. And guys, also remember, this channel is just about educational content. Nothing has to be intended as financial advice. And again, as I'm saying every time, I'm not saying just because I have to. Yes, it's true, I have to, but most of all because it's crucial. You can't copy someone because I'm not you, you are not me, we are different. So you have to apply what you are listening from me, from anyone else, to yourself and understand if what other people are saying applies to you or not. That's so important. Okay, guys, now that I have told you this, let's see which are the meme coins and why I think that these coins could pump. So first of all, I want to share with you how I operate, because I don't like just to bet on meme coins. I don't like also to go on a big cap because it's safe. I mean, yes, it's safe, but which is the upside? There are many different kind of question marks. I'd rather go, but that's again my personal approach, for something that has a reason why it could pump in the coming weeks or months. So that's important. Obviously, do as you prefer. If you prefer just to follow Murad coins, follow Murad coins. If you prefer to follow just AI agents, that's fine. Follow that. Do whatever you want. But as long as you do something with the full awareness of why you're doing, ask yourself every time, guys, I'm doing this for this reason. And if the hypothesis that there is behind my buying or selling will change and it will be demonstrated is wrong, I will change my plan. But I will not just jump from one coin to another one, and I'm not even buying something because someone else is talking about that on social. Remember, guys, most of the coins are just price manipulation. That's all they are, and you need to develop your own method in order to avoid being scammed by so many blah 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 on YouTube and on Twitter. So be aware of that, please. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm identifying coins that a big player is accumulating and they are ready to pump from a chart analysis point of view, but most of all from the ecosystem point of view. And the wallet I'm following is Wintermute. If you want to know more about this wallet, check out my video about Wintermute and about their wallet. I made it just a couple of weeks ago, maybe even less, just 1 week ago. I will leave the link into the corner here. And the reason why is because they are the biggest market maker. And when they are accumulating, it means that the price could pump because, I mean, they are not holding something just to lose money. They are the people who are manipulating the market. And guess what? They want to make money. So I guess I'd rather prefer to be on the same side of someone who has the power to push the price higher instead of buying something that is just promoted on Twitter or YouTube by someone that has not so much cash. And the other reason is because Wintermute is a big market maker. A big market maker means that these coins sooner or later will be listed on big exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and so on. And most of the times when these coins are listed over there, well, they pump. So let me share with you which are the coins that I'm betting for December. This is the interface that you can find on Arkham Intelligence, the wallet of Wintermute. You can filter here by chain and so on. I have analyzed all the coins that they are holding, and most of all, I have also checked their balance. Are they accumulating or not, because it's pretty important, guys. Don't just try to copy, try to understand what these people are doing. Are increasing, are they selling, are they accumulating, why they are doing something. So that's really important. One thing that I noticed the other day was that they were accumulating MOG. And guess what happened with that? As you can see, they just sold a little bit yesterday. And guess what happened yesterday? Well, this is the chart of MOG. Yesterday we had, you know, according when you are looking this, watching this video, could be yesterday, could be a couple of days before, doesn't matter much. This is the candle. Big candle, not a good candle to be fair. It is a spike with a big shadow, not what we would like to see. But in this moment happened that MOG was listed on Coinbase. So usually this kind of listing events, specifically when there is Wintermute behind, most of the times they end with just a big spike and then the chart goes back down. But if we use, for example, the graphic, the chart of Degen is another coin that has been listed by either Binance, either Wintermute. The moment when the listing has been announced on Coinbase by Degen was this one over here. So as you can see, also in this case, we had this big spike down. But if you look at the chart, what happened just after that is that the price from here to here did something like 6 times more. That's a lot, guys. 6 times, that's really a lot. So this is really important to understand, because one thing that you have to be aware in a moment when you buy something that market makers like Wintermute or Jumper Trading and so on are moving. One thing that you have to be aware is that the fact that a coin is being listed on exchange, it doesn't mean that we have an instant pump. Yes, we have seen it, for example, with Peanut. We had this instant pump that made, I don't know, a lot of times, like 9 times up. The same happened with Ordi, for example, when it was listed on Binance. We had this good upside that brought the price like 20 times higher, something like that. Nair 2 literally spiked so much when it was listed, has gone from here to here, but after that has been retraced. This is the moment of the listing of Coinbase. But the pump is not for granted, because, for example, if you check, this is from Slurf when it was listed the other day on Binance, we had just a downside. So you have to be ready for any kind of scenario. What you know is that most of the times we have an instant pump when one of these coins is listed. So what you can do is just putting like a take profit at 50% more, 60, 100%, doesn't matter. It depends from how big is the coin and what do you think. Or simply you wait. For example, before I was showing you MOG. MOG is my first bet for December. I think that it's time also for MOG to start moving. It has been listed on all the major exchanges, and it's here flirting with the resistance about 1 billion, and it's slightly more, to be fair, but we haven't really broke the previous high. Previous high was here, and we are still about the same price. Remember that all these candles are weekly candles, so we are already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks that we are trying to break. And if we consider also these 3 that brought us approaching the all-time high, we are already 8 weeks that we are in that area. So it's becoming a little, pretty much a good time. So I do think that MOG could be a good bet for the coming weeks. Wintermute didn't sell much, but just a portion of that. It's still much more than what I had in June, so I'm pretty bullish about MOG. The second coin is Apu. Apu is finally starting again to move. As you can see, they made this all-time high here just 2 weeks ago. We had this correction. We touch again this SMA on the weekly time frame. This average here, the blue line that you can see, usually this can work as support, and we are ready to start again. The curious thing about Apple is that it's not yet listed on any major exchange. It has a market cap around 300 million, and Wintermute has a pretty good bag of Apple, and as you can see, they are increasing during the time. As you can see, it's increasing during time. This is a signal that in the coming weeks, probably, we could see a listing. And I do expect also a pump. I do not expect to see a dump from here at a listing. It could happen. I do expect a pump. Obviously, we have always to remember that the markets can do whatever they want. The third coin that I want to share with you is Slurf. I already showed you the chart, and it's terrible at the moment. At least this chart here is the chart on Binance. If we take another chart, for example, we can take MEXC. The chart is slightly better, but what you can see is that we had this pump over here due to the rumors of the listing. After the listing, we had this correction, and the structure could be a pretty nice structure to do something like this and this. I mean, there is no guarantee also in this case, but I like how the chart is structuring itself. It is pretty organic. I mean, the team could also try to work just for excess liquidity. That's true, we have to be aware of that. But I mean, there is a lot of work to be listed and so on. I do expect at least to pump it a little bit more the price, because there is much more space to grow. What we are seeing from Wintermute is a price structure that does here the rumors down when it's listed and pump again. Obviously, there is no guarantee it will go on this way, but that's something that you have to be aware of. So that's the reason why I like Slurf. The fourth coin that I'm betting for this month is MEMECOIN. The reason why I like MEMECOIN is because the project is pretty good. I mean, it's one of the few meme coins. It's not just the meme coins. They are just also trying to build a big brand. It's also into the portfolio of Wintermute. They are holding about 2 million. So it means about 3% of the whole supply. And also in this case, we have a nice bounce on the SMA. As you can see, the fast one, the medium average, the blue line, that is the fastest one, it's crossing, it's coming above the slow one. Usually when this is happening, it's called a sort of golden cross, call it as you want, doesn't matter much. The point is finally we are shifting the trend. So this is a pretty good and bullish news. I do expect MEMECOIN to be able to do a new all-time high soon. I don't know if it will happen in December, but I'm pretty positive about that. Guys, as always, there is no guarantee that none of these coins will pump. I'm bullish on them. They will pump. Let's see into the next 30 days. Guys, don't forget to leave us a big thumbs up, drop a comment to the comment section, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye, guys.